Today is harvest day and we finally be picking our beautiful eggplants, our onions, our bell peppers and our garlic. While harvesting the garlic, we discover something unexpected. After weeks of heavy rain, our garlic gets soft and soggy. Did all our hard work go to waste, Asia?
Let's find out.
Alright, let's go and see. You ready? You ready, Zara? Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Session Zara. It's amazing how our garden changes. Just a few months ago, these were tiny plants. And now we're harvesting fresh food straight from our garden. One thing we know, Session Zara, garden teaches us patience. The little care and love that you give it, it goes a long way. Alright? You ready to go and harvest? Alright, give me a bounce. Alright, let's go.
We have a green pepper. Look there.
You have an orange pepper?
We have a green orange pepper.
Yeah, so we go ahead and cut it, okay? Okay, Session Zara, check how beautiful this eggplant is. One thing we're gonna be looking for is, I always like to look for like when it's always shiny. That's when it's gonna be ready, okay? So go ahead and squeeze it. If it's firm, that means it is good.
I can squeeze it.
Okay, so that means it's firm, it's good. If we leave it too long, it will become bitter and then it will grow larger seeds, okay? So now is the perfect time to go ahead and harvest it, okay? Alright, so where's your scissors? Where's your bowl? Let's go and harvest it. Instead of pulling the eggplant down, we're gonna like snip it, because if you pull it down, it's gonna cause damage to the plant, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and snip it. Alright? Okay, Zara, go ahead and cut it.
And the most rectify you.
Cut it right there, yes. Squeeze it.
It's like a big apple. There you go.
It's a big one, right?
It's not even heavy.
It's heavy?
I thought it was gonna be heavy.
Okay, put it in here.
It's a big butthole.
Okay, let's go ahead and cut the other one. Okay, Session Zara, so you'll harvest your eggplant, right?
And some of these have a butt.
What you say, Zara?
Some of these have a butt.
Where?
Look. A butt. Well, we got a big eggplant that is so huge.
Okay, Session Zara. So now we buy our onion bends. So you can see the top naturally fall over. This is a big indication that the onions are ready to harvest, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and pull out one. Go ahead and pull out this one.
Ooh,
Go ahead and pull it out.
it's kind of like these are not big deal.
So this one is kind of small, but it's still ready because the tops fall down. So go ahead and shake off the dirt. Okay, so we're not gonna wash them, we're gonna go ahead and cure them. We're gonna go ahead and cure them. In other words, I mean, like, we're gonna dry them out, okay, for like 3 weeks, okay, and then we can use them. Go ahead and put it in the basket.
Point.
Now we buy our bell peppers. Now we're gonna go ahead and pick them. As you can see, they kind of yellow, and also we have some things like some rocks on them, but we'll go ahead and harvest them, okay? The best way to harvest them is not to pull them, because you're gonna further damage the tree. We're gonna like prune them or snip them, okay? So you're gonna hold it like this and snip them like this. You see how it is?
Orange pepper.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut this one.
You're gonna cut this one, Zara?
No, I can do it by myself. This one is tiny. We need to cut these weeds away. That's
Go ahead and cut it.
Yes.
Good job, baby.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I see they have a little spot on my bell peppers. I'm not too sure why it's have a little dent or that little brown spot. I'm not too sure if it's because of the heat or the weather. But if you know what's currently going on or why it's having this little black spot on the bell peppers, comment below and then I'll let me know what's currently going on. Okay, Sage, so go ahead and cut the peppers like I showed you. This is the red peppers now. You pick it, baby. You plant it. What do you think about it?
Good.
Good. What color?
Red.
Red.
Yes.
So you like your harvest?
Yeah.
Good job, baby.
We have red, yellow, orange, and green. We have purple, orange, yellow, and red and green. That's from the rainbow.
Okay, Sergio and Zara, now we buy our banana peppers. Now we go ahead and harvest them, okay? Because they're currently looking good to be harvested, okay? Alright, so we're gonna, where's the bowl? So now we go ahead and we'll snip up the top instead of pulling it down, okay? So we'll snip it like this. Go ahead and put it in there, okay? Yes, go ahead and snap it. Good job.
Is it banana pepper?
Yes, a banana pepper, baby. Okay, Station Zara, so now we buy our okra. Now we're gonna go ahead and harvest the okra that it have before it gets too hard, okay? So as you can see, this is our okra and it's kind of soft. So if it gets firm, that means it's too hard to harvest, but we can use it as seeds. And as of right now, it's currently good, okay? Go ahead and cut it.
Banana pepper.
This okra, baby, a red okra. You see it?
It looks like banana.
What do you think about it?
It looks like a banana pepper.
It look like a banana pepper. Okay, Sergio, here comes the garlic. This is the moment we be waiting for, okay? Let's go ahead and pull out the garlic and see how it's come out. This garlic doesn't look right. It looks soft and soggy. Feel it? Unfortunately, we had several heavy rains and garlic don't like to sit in wet soil for long, okay? Too much moisture can cause the bulb to cause rot before harvest. So that's what that currently happened to our garlic. Alright, so hopefully next season we'll be able to have a good harvest. But this is one of the problems that we get when we get too much rain, okay? Our harvest may get rot because of the wet of the soil get too much water. Alright, so this is a lesson that we learn and then we'll try our best to overcome it next time, okay? Give me a bounce. 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 Big harvest, baby. What do you got here?
Eggplant.
Eggplant and
Peppers.
peppers and okra.
Yeah.
Okay, Sasha, that's gardening. Not every crop turn out to be perfect, okay?
Okay.
Some seasons bring abundant harvest, others teach valuable lessons. Sage, we learned just how important it is for our garlic during the rainy weather months, right? So next season we'll try to do our best to do better, okay? Because every season teaches us something. Okay, we learn something every season, right?
Right.
Okay, give me a bounce. Give me a bounce. Alright, let's go. Okay, Sejan Zara, today harvest was a success.
We have fresh eggplant, we have fresh onion, we have fresh peppers, we have fresh banana peppers, and we have fresh okra.
Right, today's success was today harvest was a big success. However, our garlic didn't make it, so we learned a valuable lesson that will help us in next season, right? We have a proper drainage for our garlic due to that heavy rain. All right, that's what gardening is really about: learning, growing, and never giving up, right? Sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. Like as you see when we went to pick our garden, right? We lose our garlic. That's the same thing in life. Sometimes in life you win, sometimes you lose. It's coming with a balance, right? But that in all that lesson is teaching just experience and patience, right? All right, give me a bounce. Have you guys ever lost garlic due to heavy rain? If you have, comment down below.
See you in the next time, guys. Comment down below what video do we do next.
Alright, see you later. Give me a bounce.
Bye. Bye.